Hello and welcome to the 11th drill. Here we have an array of numbers and we have to return their sum, except we have to ignore a section containing 6 to the next 9. For example, here in this array, we have several numbers and we have to return the sum, except we have to ignore this section from 6 to the next 9. So we should return 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is 8. For these, we are writing a function called skip69, which will call the array of the numbers. And to make sure we're getting the sum, we're defining a variable named total, which is initially 0. And we're defining a Boolean, which is add, which is initially true, to make sure that we're adding the numbers. And we will change the value of the Boolean according to our need. When it will face the first 6, when it will come to the first 6, it will start skipping the number. And then when it faces the next 9, it will stop and start counting again. So we'll run a for loop through the array while add, meaning while add is true. If number is not equals 6, we will continue our summing the numbers, and then we will break out of the loop. That is, we'll break out of the loop and go to the initial for loop, and else we will change it to false. That is, it will no longer add the numbers. We will also have to write another while loop. That is meaning that while it's not adding, it will have to wait until it faces a 9. If it doesn't face a 9, then it will just break, or it will change the value of the Boolean, add back into true. That is, it will start counting again. And at the end, we should return the total. And let's run it and call the function. Is showing 8. That means that it's skipping the from 6 to 9. Just to make it more obvious, let's make the array shorter. In this case, it should return 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's returning 4. So that's how we can return the sum of numbers in an array, but ignore a section containing a specific number to up until it faces another number.